Good morning, guys. It is Friday and I'm headed off to work. Right now my windows are iced, so I'm just waiting for it to kind of melt, which means I'm a little bit late. So it is very cold, very cold. It's my first week and I'm organizing all these boxes. We use these for homeless donations, and so organizing all these cabinets, desks, everything. I got done with work and I'm just kind of livening up my hair. We are going to the location to take a photo. Hopefully it turns out nice. This is my literal filming setup right now. The video in works. The video is about peaceful moments, but filming it is not very peaceful. And this is my horrible makeshift stand because I don't have a tripod for this camera. And then I have my cute little microphone to capture the sounds, which I just think it's super cute looking. But just thought I'd show you guys. And the heater's on because I'm cold, but I'm about to turn it off. We're ice skating today. Guys, I'm so excited because we're gonna make Christmas cookies and decorate it and watch La La Land. So I'm so excited! This is our second year and I want to try to do this every year. Hi, Peachy. Where's Charlie? Where is he? Is he with you? Hi, Charlie. Hello. Welcome to my cooking show. This is like a beauty tutorial. This is the butter I'm using. It's from Aldi and it's super aesthetic looking. Anytime I'm doing something in the kitchen, Peaches is just always next to me. Look at that. It's just so cute. You gotta wear the apron. You gotta put your hair up and then probably clean the kitchen a little, right? This table's really messy. So we have all our ingredients. I'm just gonna put it together into this trusty old machine. We will see you when it's all done because we're gonna watch La La Land and it's copyrighted. Literally freaking out because it asked for 4 sticks of butter. And I'm like, dang, you're gonna die. Try the half man. How is it? So I learned I'm horrible at decorating and I don't really like baking. Maybe if I had everything prepared. But also, look how good he is at decorating. The bad ones are all mine. Like this one. Look at. Such a cute little face. Good morning, guys. Hot citron tea is good for the cold.
0.1 miles.
Oh my gosh.
Keep left. And
Keep left.
turn left. Nom 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 nom.
Use the no.
Do you use that to pay?
Use the discover
1433.
road trip. Bubble tea, bubble tea. Okay.
That was 6 months.
Okay. How funny is this?
Here.
Yours says Holly. Jolly R says. That's so funny. Are you recording?
예쁘다 되게. 어?
Okay, we're at my brother's house.
This is our
backyard. It's so cute.
Oh, so cute. 아, 뭐야? 어.
진짜 귀엽다.
Did you see the present we got you? Pimple patch.
Wow! Yes, my favorite.
Then this one too. Pat. Ooh, what's this?
Doggy toys. I said I wanted doggy toys.
Wow.
So cute. Oh my goodness. We're not sponsored by Milk Bar. Chew a lot? Ribhide.
Very pricey.
Where is it?
The green one's for Charlie.
It's so cute.
내가 항상 이랬구나 그러면. 그래서 여기서 이뽕 하잖아. 어이구
Oh
총각까지.
my gosh.
편하지. 편한데.
Is it bonfire? Happy birthday. 좀 무서운데? Happy birthday dear to
Rishi.
이래. 이래.
Fine. Show us how you eat your cake.
On your foot.
자기가 어쩌 잘하면 돼.
Please don't make it really hard.
근데
Oh, sorry.
내가 좋아하는 모드가 있거든.
I don't like it.
아니.
Okay! Stop!
Okay.
Is it weird?
아, 뭐 건강한 헬스.
Good morning. This is where we were sleeping. I call it the pink room. And then God said, let there be light. Guess what day it is? It's Christmas! It's 1:20 in the morning and we're awake, so why not? We're gonna open our presents. No. It's a toy. Oh, yummy.
You want this one instead? Smart boy.
Now they leave.
You should Sailor freaking Moon.
Is it what I think it is? Is it a pro?
Oh, what a punk.
Ah.
What a punk, that guy.
I was like literally thinking today, I should get a case for my candles. It's the last gift. It's from me to, no, it's from Charlie and Peach.
Aww. Oh, it's the corgi blanket. Yes. It has the same stuff as my little pin.
Yeah, it's gonna be yours.
It's awesome. It's so soft.
Do you
too.
like it?
Yes, I love it. Look, Charlie. It's not you because you can't go to space. Yeah. Oh, I know. It stinks, but you can't go there. You know what I mean?
That's funny. Okay, now we can eat our late night snack.